Any religion. I was asked this question. I was once on a panel. There was a. This sounds like a joke. There was a priest. There was a minister. There was an imam. There was a Hindu guru, whatever the title they give, and I was on that panel. So they asked each one of the people. I'm glad I was the last. What do you think about the other religions? And everyone was lying through their teeth. The priest was oh, we respect all religions and everything. They're all different paths to the same end. I know he wasn't telling the truth. That's not what he believes in. And so that when they asked me the question, I said that to the extent that a religion conforms to the 7 Noahide commandments, then that religion will remain. To the extent that it doesn't, I remember saying also, I said 3 is not 1.